It's still quite dark. It's only about 4:30 AM, so I don't know how this is going to come out. I'm a bit puffed. We've been hopping across these granite domes. There is no actual path, but we're approaching a path. We're near the banks of Quart Pot Creek again. Yeah, there's a little path here. There's the creek. The granite here is wonderfully pink. And then green. We are going to have to go across this rock. I want to go up that path there. So it's across this rock. Stop, nice. Let me go first. Okay, it's safe. Come on. Good boy. Come on, Hugo. Come on, Hugo. Come on, Hugo. Hugo, come. Hugo's not going to do it. He balked. He's going around. There is no other way that I can see. Where does he think he's going? Now here, he's back. Come on, Hugo, you can do it. Nice did it. Come on, good dog. Come on, good boy. Good boy. That's it. There you go. They're stuck. You'll have to come onto there. That's right, Hugo, you got the right idea. That's like a causeway. Yes, nice. You're coming with me, okay. Yes, up there, Hugo. Good boy. Right up onto that dome. Nice. Don't get under my feet, please. You'll make me fall off this causeway. Come on, nice. Oh. See, this is where we've come. Hopping from one big dome, one big fractured dome, to the next. So we came up this way and found this fairly newly made path. Interesting things like this metal ring. Don't know what that would be for. It's been there, look, by the looks of it, for decades, maybe a century or more. Looks like it was used for tying something up. We come back to the creek. There's little waterfalls and things. This looks like the upper reaches of this creek, Quart Pot Creek. The path comes to an abrupt end. There has been a barrier erected over it, being pushed down. Footpath closed due to flood damage. Oops. Well, that hasn't stopped the dogs. They've gone on ahead. See, there's a bridge, or a bit of a bridge over there. There must be a house up there. I can hear a cockerel crowing. See, here's that bridge. It just doesn't go anywhere or start anywhere. It looks like this flood that closed the footpath must have destroyed the bridge. Look at the debris piled under that bridge from the last time water came coursing down here. Looks like it must be a floodway. Now, the bridge kept going, and there's another bit of it there. But this tells an interesting story. Look at these bolts. That bridge hung on and hung on before being swept away to such an extent that the floodwaters, which were obviously very powerful, bent these bolts right back out of shape. Same there. So what's happened is the water has come coursing down from there. At what height, I don't know. Perhaps higher than my head, I would say. And with such power that it bent these steel bolts as it swept the bridge away. See these branches here? We do get an idea of the height of the water by that tree there, where its branches have been ripped off to a particular height. Let's go up and have a look at it. Okay, so we're standing maybe, what, 10 foot above where that bridge is. Now look at this tree, where its branches have been ripped off by the force of the water up to a height of there. Now these are new, I'm saying within a year, the damage. And I can just reach there with my arm outstretched. So I'm 5'11", and then I stretch my arm, which is another nearly a metre, nearly a yard. So that's about 8 feet above my head, and I'm standing about 10 feet above that bridge. So the water would have had to have been, what, 20-25 feet above that bridge. There seems to be a chimney standing all on its own there. Yeah, it's a chimney. And there's some building material here. An old bucket there. There used to be a building here with a fireplace, I'd say. Well, okay, we're going to continue up the bed of this almost dry creek. See, it's just coming down into a series of little rivulets. Little pools with, in this case, with ducks in them. See the way these trees have been bent in the direction of the flow of water. Even that quite high one, which would have to be maybe 30 feet high above me, that's that one there, is bent in the direction of the flow of the water. It's quite grotesque. They're all bent that way. Plants growing almost bonsai-like in the rocks. See the roots just in the crevice of the rocks, It's not going to last too long once the next big waters come through. We seem to have come to a halt. Nowhere that way. It's pretty rough up that way, and I don't think the dogs, well, I know that the dogs would not do it. It's all small boulders and rocks up there. There's no way out there, Hugo. We may have to detour. Well, they're going ahead and leaping across things like this. They're doing very well. But the fact that they've come back, oops, there he goes again. The fact that they've come back tells me that there's no way through there, because they went right up there and then came back. If they could have got through, they would have kept going. Hugo's still searching for a way that way. Nice is still searching for a way that way. They've really got into the spirit of this sort of exploration thing, looking for ways through.